Sucks. Ayun. Ah! What's up guys? Today babalik po natin yung video na galing December 29, 2025. At yun po ay isang lost video nung mga 2020 nung last year pa. So today birthday ko po. So happy birthday to me. And let's start the video from my lost video from December 29, 2025. Yung lost video po ay naglaro po ako ng isang horror game na pangalan Santi is Home. So ipopost ko po ulit and let's start the video. What's up? Today, lalaro po tayo ng Santi is Home. And let's start. But first, magawa po tayo ng playlist na pangalan Spooky Gaming. And ito yung unang Spooky Gaming na laro. And let's start. Welcome. Let's start. Santi is Home. Merry Christmas din po and Happy New Year. And, wow. Okay. 25th December 2025. I'm coming. Click to continue. It's too early for this Zoe. WSD. Open the door. You know. Hi mama. Santi came to our house and I saw him. He is going to bring me to a nice trip. Santi wants a present when he comes back. Here is his wish list. Santi says if Mama calls the police, he will keep me forever. I'm so excited to be with Santi. Do not worry, mommy. I will be back tomorrow. Love, Zoe. P.S. Santa is always watching. So scary. So scary. Zoe, what is this, dear? ... Zoe? I guess I should follow this note first. Hold tab to open list. What list? Ooh, wish list ni Santa. Cookies, warm milk, candy, cane, bell, socks. Okay, that's fine. Let's look for it. Lalapin po natin. I-open it. Oh, nakagulat naman. Nahimig ako. I-open doon. Nakatakot. Paano? Ayun. Oh my god, that's a drawing. Hindi ko ano babasahin yan. Baka nag-waste ng time. Bell. Kailangan ko ng bell. Oh, wait. Masyadong madilim. Itaas pa na natin yung brightness. That's better. Santa. Oy, Santi. Oy, kamali ako. Bala ako tumakbo. Ano ulit? Cookies. Warm milk. Ano yun? Ba't may narinig ako? Okay, I'm loading. What is happening? F to drop. Okay. And I just need 4 more items. Cookies. Kailangan ko na mangkok. Ayun. Ayun, mangkok. Bell. Ito yung bell. There's the bell. Ito yung bell. Hey, Santa Claus. I just need 3 more items. Hi guys. Vlogger. Ito. Cookies. Si Mangkok. Ilan? Bakit? FT. Paano to? Yun. Santi is home. Saan to yung lalagay? Plato.
Nope.
Ah, okay. Saan yung plato?
No.
Saan yung plato?
No.
Ito ba?
No.
Okay, lalagay dito. Lalagay ba ito dito?
Nope. No. No.
Ay, oven!
Yes.
Ayan, bibigay ko
Yes.
muna.
Yes.
Baking.
Yes.
It's baking. Cookies, warm milk, candy cane. Nga pala. Asan yung candy cane muna? Tagal ah. Oh, may prato na. Lalagay ko dito sa wishlist ni Santa. I need 2 more items. It's been 5 minutes. Milk. Milk. Nga pala, no? Tapos candy cane. Ano to? Cookie box. Cookie box. Asan yung milk? Natin dito sa freezer. Or sa refrigerator. Ayun! Milk! Milk! Yun. Pour milk. Mommy's milk. Saan ito ilalagay? Cold water ata ito. Oo nga no. I-warm mo muna natin. Pick up milk. Kailangan natin candy cane. 1 more item na lang. So scary. Ano yun? Ba't may tumutunog? Dito ata sa loob. Ba't may candy cane sa banyo? F. It's the letter F. Oh, man. I'm stuck. Stuck ako. Ito na lang. Parang F yung ano. Ayun! Tapos na. Ay, that should be all of it. All of it. Please be okay, Zoe. Ano kaya nangyari kay Zoe? Kidnapper ka, Santi! Holy shit! Kidnapper si Santi, guys. 25th December 2002, 3 AM. Aga nagising ko ah. Zoe, is that you? Ano kaya? Oh, may present ako. Ano kaya to? PS5. Naughty ending. Ano ginagawa ko? Hindi ako naughty. I'm good. This me? Wala pong big problem. Di pa po tapos yung laro. At yung problem lang po ay na-shut down ng aking webcam. So, itatapos ko po itong laro kahit walang webcam. Okay, nahanap ko na kagad yung socks. Yung ano? Candy cane. Yan. 4 more items. Candy cane na yun, no? I see 3 more items. Uy, ba't yung bell nasa ano? Sa refrigerator. Stay 2 more attempts. Wow. Rat poison. To keep out of reach from children, place environment, temperature, brightness. Okay, rat poison. Lagay ko na sa cookies. Saan yung cookies? Yung milk, parang nahanap ko. Mamaya na lang yan. Okay. Balik ulit tayo dito. Ito pala yung cookies. Pwede ko na pa. Oh, something! Ah. Cookie Max. Cookie Max. Ah, hindi ko napansin. And 4 cookies on ball. Ah! 4 ball. Okay. Milk. And cup. Go warm silang dalawa. Cookies at milk. Okay, tapos na. 1. And a 2. Okay, that's all of it. Please be okay, Zoe. December 25th, December 2002, 3 a.m. Zoe, is that you? Hello, Zoe. Open door. Zoe! Actually, Zoe. Talk to Zoe. Zoe, oh my baby. Hi, Mama. Thank God you're safe. I was so worried for you. I told you I will be okay. Mama said it okay. La la la. He saw the present you prepared and he fell asleep. Oh my God, Zoe, next time don't follow strangers, and especially when they break into our house. Okay, Mama, I'm sorry. It's okay, my dear. I'm just glad you're safe. That. Mama. Yes. When is Santi gonna wake up? Ah, yung rat poison pala. Sabi nga, kidnapper nga si Santi. Yan, Santi. More like Panty. Goodbye, guys. So, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell button. And peace.